How to fix Webtoon not working. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps now, go to Webtoon right here. Click on force stop and then click on storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and delete from here. Go back, click on the power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. After that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Webtoon and update it into the latest version. So that's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.